Welcome to MasterSheets.ai. It's almost normal to be living in chaos while managing a team, but we think it can become much easier. So we've built MasterSheets to be simple, clean, yet powerful. So it looks like a spreadsheet, but it behaves like an app, built specifically for your team, your processes, without any developers or code.
Yeah, don't believe you.
You better. So let's start by inviting your teammates to the platform. Now begins the fun. Giving permissions to individuals is so 2020. MasterSheets works on roles. Just assign a person to a role and they immediately get all the permission that the role has. Create as many roles as you want. Now let's build your first sheet. It's too easy. Just type what you are thinking directly.
I want a black coffee.
Oops, that won't work. But let's say I want to track all my inquiries and assign them to salespeople, and let's click generate. Our AI will instantly create the sheet, add columns with the right data types, set basic permissions, and try to create the right settings. Phew. And we get this pretty sheet with some dummy data for free. You can add columns, reorder them, rename them, play with the settings. Now is when you ask your team to start working, filling rows and adding data. But the most annoying thing is when someone writes tomorrow in a date column, and then we can never sort it, or decides to forget filling in an important column. So if your team can get as lazy as me, you need MasterSheets. We have some magical column types, so the fairy makes sure nothing goes wrong. For example, you can't write text in a currency column. And if you set tomorrow in a date column, it will actually fix the right date. Thank you, fairy. And with a user's column type, just assign rows to your team members quickly. If you want to see the real magic, then choose deadline column type. One role can assign a deadline, the other can mark completion, and if there's a delay, they have to press a button to seek an extension and even give a reason to be extended. Once completed, it gets striked off. Your team has become a super team. Unlike Excel, even if you fail math, you can still write formulas. Because in MasterSheets, you can write 7 days after inquiry date to calculate a follow-up date. And it just does it. And if you choose a reference column, you can associate records from other sheets and select them like a normal drop-down. Actually, the approval column is my favorite. Select it so now people can actually request an approval and the one with permission can approve or reject and give a pat on the back with a cute comment. Good job, Pat. But what if Pat could by mistake delete someone else's entry?
Scary.
So let's talk more about permissions. And please try not to fall in love with MasterSheets here. Just click on all permissions and choose which roles can access the sheet or add rows to this sheet.
That's all?
No, this is nothing. You have a lot more control. Which roles can see or edit sensitive columns? Who can mark a deadline? Who can seek an approval? And who can approve it? All is set here. Hey, by the way, are you being a miser and using Google Sheets or something for free? Here's what you're missing. In your sheet, everyone sees everything. Anyone can edit anything. But with MasterSheets, you're the boss. You decide if each person should just see only the relevant rows once they have created or are mentioned in. Here, see, he can only see his own rows. Or if you so decide, you can let everyone see everything. See, now there's no more privacy. But hey, you're the boss, right? And since boss will be happy to see a full history, who changed what, when, so you never lose context. In fact, you all can have full conversation about any entry right here. So quickly, now give the sheet URL to your team so you can chat about the relevant stuff. And by a stroke of luck, now you may have many entries in your sheet. Have you ever tried to filter something in those free things that you keep using? We made sure this is super easy in MasterSheets. Wouldn't you want to know how many meetings he did in the past 7 days? Or let's filter unpaid invoices. And let's see how much is the total. Or how many leads are stuck in negotiation. Maybe you want to talk to the bigger account. Let's filter that too. And let's even sort by size. And then the salesperson. Let's focus only on this quarter. Wow, instant insights. And if you're too fancy, you can look at your data as a Kanban board or visualize everything in your calendar. And if you'd like to see this again and again, just save this view. One click brings you back. Everything still works like a spreadsheet. keyboard, arrows, fast editing. So your team doesn't need to be trained for weeks. All in all, we've made it easy. So you can focus on what you do best and sit on a beach, sip a cocktail while you run your team.